Hanoi Center Silk Classic Hotel and Travel. Room 101. Review. We have doors. We have the card for the electricity and the room. We have a table, cups, 2 cups, tea and coffee, and 3 bottles of water every day. Share. We have a king size bed, I believe, and there's another bed, small bed if you prepare single bed, but it's nearly double bed, so it's 2 beds in the room. I don't know why, if you with children, or you can book this room. It's quite spacious. I think it's 21 square meter. We have a wardrobe. Wardrobe is massive, like, I don't know why you need so big wardrobe, like. Then we have a table, chair, phone, box with the napkins, Wi-Fi. We have red flower, mirror, television, kettle, air conditioning, remote control, but mind you, air conditioning is just, you have to adjust, because it's, when you turn it on, it's blasting. Like, now after staying 3 nights, somehow I set up. Of course you can ask property, some people in the property, some manager, to help you with this. There's a window, and decorations is like a marble, but it's plastic, of course. It looks nice. Yeah, so what's the room like? Oh, we have a fridge inside. And the thing is, this fridge is like running non-stop, day and night. But actually I heard tonight that it's turned off for a while, like for 5 minutes, and then it's back on again. It's not very loud, but you can hear it. So therefore I recommend you use earplugs, because in the morning at about 8 o'clock all noise starts coming from the doors. Cleaners and stuff start talking loudly and banging, and people walking and talking, and not soundproof at all. So the bed is quite firm, I say. On the 4th night I had a trouble sleeping because could not find the position, and on the 3rd night, which is today, I slept this quite well. Get adjusted to the firmness. That happened to me last time I was in Thailand. So if you sleeping at home in soft bed, you definitely gonna feel the difference. But now I get used to firm bed, so it's gonna be no problem. So here is a bathroom. Bathroom is quite spacious. Big mirror, sink, soap, cups, and we have there toothbrush. with toothpaste and razor and comb and shower cap, and we have a hair dryer made in Japan, Toshiba, which is very good. I don't use it much, I use it only one time, but it's very nice indeed. So the toilet itself and the shower with this head, and there's another shower head. It's quite good. Luckily they have doors to close it, so not much splash going on, but the water somehow guttering a little bit. We have towels, plenty of towels. I think there's 3 towels. And there's the window, and what we have there, oh, that's my window. And what is this like? Oh my god, just look at this. Looks like in a prison, isn't it? You cannot escape. By the way, there's a boiler. So if your children gonna be very naughty, you can put them here for a night to think about what they did. Just kidding. Yeah, so as you notice one thing, this room has no window. Well, it has window, but the window is here, and as you can see, you can't see anything. But there's a good thing as well, because in the morning you cannot see light either. But as I said, you would not sleep more than 8 o'clock, because the stuff start making noise. Not that I complain, I understand they have to clean the rooms, prepare everything, and I don't sleep very long. 7-8 o'clock, I usually wake up at 7-8 o'clock. And yeah, so that was the room. It's not too bad, I would say. It's a good location, walking distance mostly everywhere. 15 minutes walking distance to Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Yeah, if you're interested in that stuff, in 20 minutes you can walk everywhere in the old quarter of the Hanoi. You can go from here on the Grab anywhere in the Hanoi, in the old, tourist attractions. It cost me about €2 to go the furthest away, which was like 3 kilometers, to see a pagoda. There we have a map with the Hanoi attractions. So the hotel is here, and I was going with the Grab car to see this pagoda, and it took me like €2 something here. So there's the lake. Everything is basically here. All quarter is quite big. It's very easy to get lost in the quarter, because the streets are very narrow and they all looks similar. There's the train. Train is attractions, one of the major tourist attraction, but the thing is, the train line was closed, and everywhere on the access points there is policemen standing and saying no go. And during the work days, the train is only going about 9 o'clock in the evening, and mostly trains going on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, like 6 trains something. During the day, 10 o'clock something. So you can go here near this train station on this street. You find out on the Google, and there's lots of coffee shops from other side. Yeah, from other side, on this side. You have to cross the rails, and from other side enter some coffee shop and order some food, and you can go through because you reach the trains train line, because as I said, everywhere on access is a police standing. Security, I don't know, looks like police signs everywhere, like. So that's the room. Hanoi Center Silk Classic Hotel and Travel. Thanks for watching.